In this section, all I'm going to do is fill in this blue space underneath the ground. I don't want the camera to see any sky underneath the ground. That's a kind of personal choice of mine, but I just think it makes the game look a little bit better. So all I'm going to really be doing is copying and pasting, and that's it. So I'm sure with the practice we've had so far, you could probably do that yourself, but just for the sake of completeness, I'm going to do it now. So I'm going to select all these tiles. This is where it's a good idea to get your head around Godot tile map nodes and auto tiles. So we will do that later when we get onto our iterative improvements. Selected the Command D, click and drag, zoom in a bit. I don't want them overlapping. Command D, click and drag. Command D, click and drag. They need to go quite a long way because we're going to go down this tunnel here, and we don't want the camera looking at just sky. Command D, click and drag. Command D, click and drag. All right. Let's select this. Let me move it over there. Let's select these two. Command D, move them over there. And then we do the same thing for this one here. So just hold down Shift and select them all. Duplicate, drag it down. Duplicate, drag it down. Duplicate that one, drag it down, select that one, select that one, select all the ones in between, Command D, and just keep dragging him down. Okay, hopefully that will do. I just want to do this wall. So I'm just holding down Shift and selecting. Don't want to do the portal though. Just want a slightly thicker wall in case the camera kind of drifts over there. Duplicate, drag it across. And then the same thing at the other end. All right, let's just test that. I just need to move around the stage and check that I can't see any sky. And again, I really need to set this default level, don't I? That looks good. I just think it looks a bit better, that's all. Can I see any sky down here? No. No, none of that, but you can see I've got sky over here. But what I'll do to deal with that is to change the rightmost margin of the camera, and that should work. But I'll do that in the next section for people who haven't watched this section. Okay, that's all I needed to do, so I'm going to call that job done.